How do Miranda rights play into being under arrest? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I'd like to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about, how that plays into the process of being arrested. So a lot of people think that the moment handcuffs are put on you, you're supposed to be read your Miranda rights, and that's just part of being placed under arrest. That's not necessarily the case. It depends a little bit on the county because different counties have different actual procedures, whether or not they have like the Miranda rights on a card, or if they're just going to say it to you, or they're going to take you to the station, have you fill something out and sign it. It kind of varies depending on where you're at. But just because you have not actually been read your Miranda rights does not mean that you're not under arrest yet. There's a little bit of a difference there. If you're being placed under arrest, the officer's probably going to tell you, yeah, I'm placing you under arrest because of blah, 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 blah. And usually at that point, that's when the handcuffs are getting put on. Unless it's a situation where, if the officers think that they need you to be restrained to calm you down or to protect you from yourself or to protect others from you, they might be putting handcuffs on you not because you're arrested, but because they just need to keep you in one location where you can't hurt yourself or anyone else. So that doesn't necessarily mean that you're under arrest just because the handcuffs are on, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to be having your rights read to you at that point just because your handcuffs are on. But that being said, definitely make sure that you're still not just saying whatever you want to say and throwing yourself under the bus. If you're being detained, even with handcuffs on, but you haven't been read your rights, you need to be aware of the fact that whatever you say can still be used against you. It's just the officers aren't required to advise you of your rights until you've actually been placed under arrest. The timing is very, very important here, which is why I cannot stress this enough. If you're in a situation where you're interacting with law enforcement in any way, I don't care if you just see a cop at Quick Trip, be aware of the fact that whatever you say could potentially be used against you. Doesn't matter if you're wearing handcuffs, it doesn't matter if you've been read your rights. Anything and everything that you say could be used against you in a court of law. If you have questions about this, or if you're not really sure about when you should have been Mirandized during the process of your arrest, give me a call. I'll go over the facts with you and we'll figure this out together. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.